Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a Bootup speed test of the Note 8, so you can see how long it takes to turn on. And yeah, let's go ahead and do this. Are you ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. Bam. So holding the button actually takes a few seconds as well, so that's pretty annoying. But yeah, pretty much it's quite fast though. So I'll just take off like 2 seconds off the time or something, I don't know, to account for that. So yeah, as you can see, it's loading up. Oh shit. Okay, that was pretty fast. I'll redo that because I fucked up. That was my fault. I wasn't expecting it that fast, so let me just turn that off for now. Switches off fast too as well. Look at that, already off. Alright guys, let me. As soon as I feel, oh shit, what the fuck? As soon as I feel the vibration, I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna bloody hell, I keep pressing something. I'm gonna do this. Okay, ready? Okay, that was a very late start. What the fuck? Okay, we're gonna add 1 second onto the time. It's very hard to time this because it's fucking hard. Sometimes it wants to be quick, sometimes it doesn't. We're gonna have to stop this as well very quick as soon as we see the thing. Alright, we got about 15 seconds startup, which is very fast. I'm not gonna lie, very fast startup. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'm recording with the Note 4 by the way at the moment. I'll show you it. This is, Note 8. This is a Note 8 as well. I own 2 Note 8s now, which is pretty cool. I'm getting an S5 and stuff as well. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. That's a Note 8. Oh, hey guys. Hey. There you go. That's a Note 8. As you can see. Yeah. So yeah. This is going to be my business phone. It's brand new. My new one actually is not that good. Only problem, I've got 2 problems with it. I don't know why. The color's off on this one a bit. It's got like an orange tint to it. I can sort that out though in the settings somehow. I know you can, because I've seen like this cool setting, so you can make it more bluer. So I'm going to do that and sort that out. And the battery is actually worse. It dies a lot quicker, and it's 3. My normal one operates at 4.2 volts or something. This one's operating at 3.8. That could be why the batteries die so easily. Look at that, 3.8 volts there, as you can see. And my other one operates at 4.2. I don't know what that's got to do with anything. If you know, then let me know. And yeah, thank you guys for watching anyways. I'll see you guys next time. Good night. Goodbye.